Всем привет! Today we are going to have another reading practice and we are going to read a poem by famous Persian poet Omar Khayyam. So if you want to practice your reading with me, stay here. My name is Anna and I'm a professional Russian tutor. I have taught students all over the world and I know that reading might be hard, and also reading poems, it's a part of the culture. So even if you know only the basics of reading, you already can perceive and listen to the rhyme, to the rhythmic. And so I want to take you to this trip with me, reading a beautiful poem. Please note that the lexis, the vocabulary people use in poems, are normally not really functional in everyday life, so there is no point of really remembering the lines or remembering specific words that might be old-fashioned. Although, let me walk you through some lexis that you might find useful and you might use it in your everyday life, and we are going to see these words and these phrases in the poem. So the first word is понял. If you see L at the end of the verb, it means that it's something in the past. So whenever we say I did, I went, I had, it's going to be L at the end. So понял means understood. Я понимаю, я понял, it's the past form. The second phrase is идет дождь. Идет sounds like idiot and it's a common verb to go in Russian. So it's raining, like the rain is going. So идет дождь, or the version we'll see in the poem, дождь идет, the same thing. The next one is about snow. It's snowflakes are melting and we say it снежинки тают. Снежинки тают. Good job. Another word you probably know, it's красота. Maybe you heard the word красивая, красивый, beautiful. So красота, it's just a noun, beauty. And it's common in Russian to change a for u at the end. So we'll hear красоту. The next word is a dream, мечта. And again, a for u, мечту. That's how we'll hear this word. Next is a day of week. My favorite one, to be honest, it's воскресенье. Воскресенье. It's the hardest to pronounce. Next phrase, it's a really wise one, so you can even use it as a quote. It means happiness is not money. Happiness is not in the money. So it's счастье. Please pay attention that this word is like exception. So even though you see S and ch in the beginning, you actually say it like sh. So we pronounce it sh, but a little bit softer. So it's счастье. Счастье не в деньгах. Счастье не в деньгах. Good job. And then two quite common verbs, to know and can, to be able to. And it's знать. That's the version we'll see. Не знать. And can or be able to, уметь. Уметь. And the version we'll see in the poem, не уметь. Alright, so let's start reading. First time we are going to read slow, but the second time you'll see the translation and it will be faster. Кто понял жизнь, тот больше не спешит. Смакует каждый миг и наблюдает, как спит ребенок, молится старик, как дождь идет и как снежинки тают. В обыкновенном видит красоту, в запутанном простейшие решения. Он знает, как осуществить мечту. Он любит жизнь и верит в воскресенье. воскресенье. Он понял то, что счастье не в деньгах, и их количество от горя не спасет. Но кто живет с синицею в руках, свою жар-птицу точно не найдет. Кто понял жизнь, тот понял суть вещей, что совершенней жизни только смерть, что знать, не удивляясь, пострашней, чем что-нибудь не знать и не уметь. Good job if you try to do it. Don't worry, there is always some tricky letters, but if you could manage to pronounce and recognize the most of it, good job. Maybe you noticed that sometimes, quite often, we don't pronounce O like O, we say A. Alright, now we are going to see the translation and read it faster. Or you can just relax and listen. Кто понял жизнь, тот больше не спешит. Смакует каждый миг и наблюдает, как спит ребенок, молится старик, как дождь идет и как снежинки тают. В обыкновенном видят красоту, в запутанном простейшее решение. Он знает, как осуществить мечту. Он любит жизнь и верит в воскресенье. Он понял то, что счастье не в деньгах, и их количество от горя не спасет. Но кто живет с синицей в руках, свою жар-птицу точно не найдет. Кто понял жизнь, тот понял суть вещей, что совершеннее жизни только смерть, что знать, не удивляясь, пострашней, чем что-нибудь не знать и не уметь. I hope you enjoyed this poem. Remember, every time you do practice Russian, it's just the next step for you to get advanced in it. And if you want to learn Russian with me, with a lot of interactive tasks and conversation, go to the link below and contact me, and I'll see you on my lessons. Пока-пока!